Next thing we're going to see is our igniter starting to glow inside our combustion chamber. You're going to hear our gas valve open up and the unit's going to ignite. After a few minutes, this heat exchanger is going to get warm enough that the blower motor is going to kick on and start to move that air through the home. At first, it's got to purge the air out of the ductwork. So you're going to notice that the air that originally comes out of your system might feel a little bit cold at first, but it will build to being warmer as that cool air that was inside the ductwork ends up escaping out into your home.